So what do people generally do once they've went and have purchased a new gaming machine like I just did, and you'll have seen in a previous video? Well, generally they'll go out, pick a decent monitor to go with it. So, what I have here is a Samsung UE590 28-inch UHD monitor. The box itself is pretty nonchalant. It's FreeSync compatible, it's flicker free, it has iSaver mode, and it has picture by picture. It's the same information on that side. Nothing on the top or the bottom, so let's see what's inside. Move out of the way and see if I can get a better shot of this. It's a bit awkward to do when you're sitting down. Okay, I'm going to try and stay off camera for this one. Inside the box we have our energy compliance sticker, which is upside down, David. Some nice foreign writing on it. We have which looks like a display port and a HDMI cable, a driver manual, and that'll be warranty information. We'll have a closer look at that in a moment. I have no idea what that is. I believe it's part of the stand. We have the stand itself. And we have a standard power brick. So with all that out of the way, what could be under here? Another energy compliance sticker. This one, however, is in English. So that's the best way to do this. In fact, I'll just do it here. It's a very nice looking monitor. Mirrored finish here. Unfortunately, those are quite big bezels, but this was the cheapest 4K monitor I could find. So I guess we should set it up and see what it's like. The stand appears to be in two pieces with some protective tape on it. Use my trusty iFixit toolkit. RIP headphone users. There's two screws on the bottom of this. I believe these are probably just thumb tight, to be honest. But they're pretty heavy duty. Place the two pieces together, hopefully. Can't believe I'm failing at a two-piece stand. So that could be why. Let's try that. I was trying to put it on backwards, it would seem. Yeah, I'm actually having trouble getting that one in. One stand built. Now I just have to wait for my system to finish updating, and then we'll see what it looks like connected to the computer. So I'm sitting editing this old video and getting it ready to be released. I filmed this maybe even 2 years ago at this point. And I thought when I got to the end here, it'd be a good example to show you. I was going to go into details and show you the picture-in-picture and sharpness of the monitors, but that doesn't really come across very well. It's also something that is personal perception. However, the best way to show you how much I like these monitors is this. I literally went out and now own 6 of them. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.